How to change header menu font size on your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it's done. It's very easy, it's very simple, so let's just go and get to it. First, log into your Shopify admin, click on Online Store, Themes, and click on Edit Theme. From here, all you need to do is just locate the block of your menu. So what you want to do is just click on, I'm doing this on Horizon, so it may be a little bit different for you, but in Horizon, you simply just going to find it within the arrow next to the header. So it's going to be nested within header, and you're going to be able to find menu. And done, I believe you actually want to click on header itself, and then you're going to be able to find more options of the menu. So anyways, I'm just going to click on the arrow like I said, and click on the menu option. Now, right away, we're going to be able to find typography here, and we're going to be able to adjust the font size of the text. As you can see, we can make it up to 18 pixels right off the gate. We can obviously add more if you want with CSS, but this is going to be the options that are available right now out of the box. So we can just go and set it up to be 18, for example. And we also have more options like the font if you want it to be heading kind of font, or the body or subheading or so on. So this is basically how to do so. This is going to be where you find the options in here. Now, if your theme doesn't support this and it doesn't actually have it, again, just locate the menu, and then you simply just want to scroll down to the bottom of the menu option, which in this case is going to be within the header for me. You're just going to scroll down, click on custom CSS, and you're just going to ask your AI, ChatGPT, Gemini, or any other platform to generate a code which is going to change that for your specific theme. Do specify the actual theme because it's going to depend. So I can't really show you a specific code for that. But with that being said, that's pretty much how to change the font size of your menu. This is going to be for most themes. They're going to have it within the theme settings. Again, hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.